And Jodie, same question from your perspective. And I think that kind of the follow-up question the audience member has is how does increasing, I think, transparency into AI, including through tools like the index, how does that change your planning efforts when you're so aware of what your peers are doing, what the competition are doing, what cross-industry people are doing in terms of innovation?
So on the first part, I mean, the how to balance your kind of in quarter, in year with your longer term horizon, I think that's an art, not a science. We generally try and think about a 70-30 rule that says 70% of the money we spend on AI should give us short to medium term value. And then 30% is either infrastructure or the longer term R&D. So we try and have always a portfolio of things happening that are in quarter, in year, infrastructure build and research. And then it becomes a little easier just to tweak the percentages, right? If you're setting up those 4 streams, then you can play within the percentages depending on what's happening in the environment. Obviously, you know, in the same time frame that Andreas talked about in 23, we switched things up a little bit. We said, whoa, we have more research to do. We don't know if it's going to deliver in quarter and year, because there was, you know, there was a new opportunity in front of us, and so you have to be flexible in that state. But in terms of what the index gives, I think the index gives us, Colin, just a much more granular level of data that we can use to really inform and influence our business stakeholders, to help them understand where they sit within the landscape. I mean, we are where we are, and we're pretty proud of where we are on the index because our business stakeholders have said, yes, this is something that's important to us. Yes, we want to partner in order to deliver value for our customers and our shareholders. But they don't necessarily understand what that means vis-a-vis our competitors or you know, we were very interested in the banking index, by the way. We learned a lot from the banking index. We didn't need to wait for the insurance index to understand things like, you know, the importance of having our leaders speak publicly about what they're working on and how that instills a sense of urgency for the business leaders and the AI teams to move quickly. So a lot of value from the index itself.